Hello, today's video is a short one, but hopefully a satisfying video for you. I'm removing a ivy vine covered fence in the backyard for the customer. What's interesting about this job is right where the arrow is was the 14th green for a golf course. So I had to be, I guess, somewhat careful as golfers were coming up to not hit them with any debris, and hopefully I didn't get hit by a golf ball. Anyways, as you can see, I'm clearing the fence, digging all the roots and the vegetation off this fence line for the customer, and getting it cleared off, cleared out, hauled away. There I am, cutting the fence up a little bit more so it folds up into the bunch. And as you see the video go on, you'll see the process of getting all this removed. I was worried the whole time working that someone was going to come up and complain about the noise or they're messing up their golf shot. I'm not a golfer, but I didn't want to mess up someone's golf game for the day. It was early in the morning when I started this job, so I worked quick, got out of there, kept it clean, and the customer was satisfied and went on to the next job. Thanks for watching.